Thousands of Korean dumplings move through this factory every single hour. Perfect folds, perfect shape, perfect timing. At the end of the line, every dumpling looks almost identical. Steam rises from freshly cooked samples while automated machines seal package after package with incredible precision. But only a short time earlier, none of this existed. Just flour, vegetables, meat, seasoning. Simple ingredients arriving from different places. Today we are following the entire journey from raw ingredients to finished Korean dumplings. And the process begins long before the first dumpling is folded.
Nothing moves forward until inspection is complete. Cabbage leaves are checked, green onions are sorted, garlic is cleaned.
Before any filling is made, every ingredient must be cleaned and prepared. Nothing moves forward until inspection is complete. Cabbage leaves are checked. Green onions are sorted. Garlic is cleaned. Meat is carefully handled inside temperature-controlled rooms. Every step is designed to create consistency, because one small difference here could affect thousands of dumplings later. The transformation has started, but the ingredients still look exactly as they arrived.
Now the real transformation begins. The vegetables no longer remain separate. The meat no longer remains separate.
Now the real transformation begins. The vegetables no longer remain separate. The meat no longer remains separate. Everything moves toward giant industrial mixers where the famous dumpling filling is created. Large batches are prepared at once. Precise amounts of cabbage, green onions, garlic, pork, seasonings, and sauces are combined together. Inside these machines, thousands of future dumplings begin to take shape. At the same time, another process starts nearby. The dough that will wrap every dumpling is being prepared. Flour, water, and careful timing will soon become thin dumpling wrappers.
Now two separate streams finally meet. Huge machines flatten the dough into long sheets. This is where the factory begins creating actual dumplings.
The filling is ready. The dough is ready. Now two separate streams finally meet. Huge machines flatten the dough into long sheets with remarkable consistency. The sheets become thinner and thinner. Meanwhile, the filling moves through sealed systems toward forming machines. This is where the factory begins creating actual dumplings. What started as flour, vegetables, and meat is about to become one of Korea's most popular foods. Thousands of times every hour, the same motion repeats with incredible precision.
The scale becomes more impressive with every step. Thousands of dumplings now flow through the factory like a continuous river.
At this stage, the dumplings finally look familiar, but they are still not ready. Before packaging can begin, the factory must stabilize the product. Freshly formed dumplings travel through carefully controlled production systems designed to protect their shape and texture. Every row moves at the same speed. Every dumpling follows the same path. What seems simple on the outside depends on dozens of machines working together. The scale becomes more impressive with every step. Thousands of dumplings now flow through the factory like a continuous river.
Now comes one of the most important stages in the entire factory: freezing. The dumplings enter specialized freezing tunnels, where extremely cold air rapidly...
Now comes one of the most important stages in the entire factory: freezing. The dumplings enter specialized freezing tunnels where extremely cold air rapidly lowers the temperature. This process helps preserve freshness, texture, and structure. Without it, large-scale distribution would be impossible. The environment changes dramatically. Steam disappears. Cold air takes over. The dumplings that entered soft and fresh emerge firm, stable, and ready for long-distance transport across Korea and beyond. The transformation is almost complete. The dumplings have been prepared, formed, and frozen. Now they enter the final production stage that consumers see first, but factories perform last. Packaging. Every package must contain the correct weight. Every seal must be perfect. Every label must be placed accurately. At this point, speed becomes astonishing. What once required many hands can now be performed by highly synchronized machines working continuously throughout the day. The dumplings are no longer ingredients. They are now finished products ready for stores.
Through washing, sorting, mixing, forming, freezing, and packaging, every step transformed simple raw materials.
The journey is complete. Just hours ago, these dumplings existed only as separate ingredients arriving at factory doors. Flour, vegetables, meat, seasonings. Through washing, sorting, mixing, forming, freezing, and packaging, Every step transformed simple raw materials into a finished food product ready for homes across Korea and around the world. Behind every package is a carefully organized system built on precision, cleanliness, and scale. The next time a bag of frozen dumplings is placed into a shopping cart, few people will imagine the remarkable factory journey hidden inside.